what year 2020 will be like for you. This is Monkey 2020 forecasts. The Monkey Horoscope 2020 predicts that this year you'll have to make concerted efforts in order to get what you want. Important changes can take place at home or work, so you need to be prepared. It would be ideal if you could remain confident when you actually feel like sweating. If you act rather than panic, you'll find brilliant solutions and you'll triumph over difficulties. Be convinced that life is made of renewals and that upheavals are useful because they allow you to make progress. Love first quarter. Your romantic life will not know great upheavals during this period. If you're a part of a stable union, you will establish agreeable relations with your spouse or mate. But if you're single, it's probable that you'll want to focus your attention on many prospects instead of narrowing them on one special individual. Second quarter. Your love life will be highlighted. Those of you who live alone will have the chance to meet someone who'll pique your interest. But beware, you may have to show patience. It's only by the end of this period that your desires can be fulfilled. If you're married or similarly committed, family life and your children will constitute the best cement between you and your love mate. Third quarter. You'll have an excess of charm. As such, your mate will have no desire whatsoever to resist you, and your relations with him or her will be placed under the sign of pleasure and passion. Those of you who've gone through problems in your relationships will have an opportunity to erase the past and make a new start. If you're single, you'll feel perfectly happy. Moreover, you'll loudly proclaim that marriage is not made for you. However, the person that you'll meet this time will fire up your heart so passionately that you could very well change your mind. Fourth quarter. This time, you'll be very confident about your ability to please and satisfy your mate. Beware of taking the other person for granted though. Remember to shower your sweet one with attention and tender kisses. Single folks, you'll want to profit fully from your freedom to explore various love affairs. Nevertheless, a decisive encounter might make you change your mind overnight. Money and finance. One should remember the difficult times even though one managed to earn quite a substantial amount on completion of certain projects or business transactions. Most things do not come easy in life, and if one does not treasure such rewards, which one might easily lose within a short period, hope one will be sensible enough to handle one's achievements and utilize them for better progress. Health. Constant exercises will help to maintain or keep one's health from rapid deterioration. The other important factor to bear in mind is drinking sufficient plain water through the day to help flush out the waste system within the body. It will also help to maintain one's youthfulness naturally, hence saving on cosmetic costs. Facts about the monkey. Clever, charming, and quick-witted, the monkey is full of tricks up his sleeve to deceive you. Very intelligent and innovative. He is a great problem solver and thrives on challenges, usually becoming a master at what he chooses to do in life. He is humorous and wants to be the center of attention. Monkeys are most compatible with rats and dragons. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.